to True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Spice Breeze. If you've been with me for any length of time on my channel, you know that Spice Breeze is a monthly culinary subscription box. Basically, you get what they call spice kits. You can get up to 3 in every package. And in that spice kit, you get a recipe and then all the spices you'll need to create that recipe. I always create one of these on my blog. So if you're interested in checking that out. So this is the 3. It's called the Wanderlust Plus, I believe. They do have, so this is $12.90 a month. It's their most expensive. So if you're looking for something a little more affordable, there are other options. I'll link to them down below as well. So you can check them out. You do get to select the recipes that you receive. There is a featured location though, and they try to kind of include recipes from that region, but there's also other things that you can include as well. So let's open this baby up. I love it. Smells good. I can smell it already. I always have fun with these because there's a lot of different options. There's ones for like weeknights, there's ones for Sunday dinners, there's different techniques, different flavors, and I think that's very exciting. Wow, I did a really remarkably bad job opening that. All right. So you open it up, and it looks like this. Very pretty. And then when you look inside, it's just like a layout of all these beautiful spices. Aren't they gorgeous? And here you have a list of frequent staples and pantry items. We're not going to look at that right now. All right. And then we have our insert here. This tells us where we're going. So this is a red panda. The Chinese province of Sichuan, also known as Szechuan, is said to be the origin of the panda bear. In China, the giant panda is considered a national treasure. The red panda is slightly larger than a cat. Red pandas live solitary in isolated mountain territories about 4,000 feet in China, Nepal, India, Bhutan, and Burma. They come only together in small groups during the breeding season from January through April. Red pandas are very skillful acrobats. They spend most of their life in trees with eating an enormous amount of 2 to 4 pounds of bamboos daily, sunbathing high in the forest canopy, and sleeping most of the day. And then they link to some videos you can watch. So basically, China and the province of Sichuan is what they're going to be focusing and honing in on in this month's box. So we have our spices. We're going to get our recipes here. Avgolemono. This is a Greek culinary spice kit. And what does it say about avgolemono? The basic recipe for avgolemono is a healthy chicken soup thickened with eggs and seasoned with lemon juice to taste. Perfect for the cold season. Ooh. We added a modern twist with our pink pepperberry lemon thyme blend. Optionally, make a delicious avgolemono pasta sauce. You can add your favorite vegetables to the soup or pasta sauce, or pour the sauce over cooked or fried vegetables. A good fit is, for instance, asparagus, turnip, rutabaga, pumpkin, zucchini, and carrot. Okay, so there's one packet for this. This is beautiful green and red one here. And by the way, a lot of their seasonings are organic, non-GMO too, so that's really great. This includes pink pepperberries, chives, lemon thyme savory, green peppercorns, and lemon crystals. So that sounds yummy. And to be honest, I think I have everything in my house that I need to make this. So this is probably what I do. All right. So there's that one. But let's see what else we have. This lipstick is tacky. This is the new Farah matte lipstick. It's tacky. All right. This is Biber Dolmasi. This is a Turkish culinary spice kit. This one says, aromatic stuffed vegetables are a Turkish specialty. For Biber Dolmasi, small green bell peppers with thin skin are simmered in a light tomato sauce. The typical filling is meat and rice mixture seasoned with mint, parsley, and regional dried peppers. This blend features mild and fruity pepper from Aleppo. For a vegetarian version, combine raisin and pine nuts with rice. All right, this also has just one packet that has paprika, Aleppo pepper, mint, cumin, and black pepper. And for this one, we have right here is our seasoning packet. For this, you just need ground beef, peppers, parsley, onion, rice, tomato puree, broth, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's also one that is, the ingredients are not, you know, out there. I have most of it in my house. So finally we have hot pot, which I know this is a Viet thing. My sister-in-law, oh, it doesn't say. Sichuan. So I thought hot pot was Vietnamese. My sister-in-law is Vietnamese, but they make hot pot. So, but this says Sichuan. So let's read a little more about it. Warming hot pot is one of the most popular dishes of the Chinese province Sichuan. The Sichuanese love to get together with family and friends, spending hours sitting around the simmering pot, eating and chatting. Asian groceries offer hot pot bases with ingredients like MSG and artificial flavors. The mild Spice Breeze hot pot seasoning uses only pure and freshly ground spices. So in the packet for this is fennel, star anise, cloves, cinnamon, black peppercorn, Sichuan peppercorn. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's kind of like a Chinese 5-spice, basically is what I'm seeing there, with the addition of the Sichuan peppercorn. And there is our packet for that. We can't see inside. All right. This one you'll need 2 quarts of bone broth, a can of tomato paste, 2 small onions, garlic, ginger, sugar, salt, and slotted spoons. Basically, it's kind of like you dip things into it. This is different than what I understand. There's probably a bunch of different regional variations of it. But this one, you'll dip thinly sliced meat in it, shrimp, mushrooms, bok choy, napa cabbage, sweet potatoes, mung beans, cauliflower, and broccoli. And then you can have sides of green onion, cilantro, watercress, radish, and dipping sauces. So that's really fun. That's a fun one that would be great for the holidays to have with family. And then finally, there's just this little packet here that this is British cake spice, used in holiday dishes in place of cinnamon, for instance, in apple pies or cranberry sauce. Ingredients in this is cinnamon, allspice, ginger, nutmeg, cloves, and orange peel. So that is that. I'll be honest, I think the one that sounds the most interesting and delicious to me is this Greek avgolemono. So I'll probably be making that. But if you're interested in checking any of them out, I will link down below to my blog. I'll also link to Spice Breeze with my affiliate link so you can check them out if you so desire. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.